Hello class 8 students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So in previous video we have finished chapter 4 in which we have studied different HTML tags and how we can create websites. That means we have completed the chapter 4 writing blogs and creating websites. Now we'll study chapter 3 which is social networking. So before starting this chapter, I want to tell you the learning outcomes from this chapter. Means once you will study this chapter, you will come to know that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to list examples of social networking website along with their use. You will able to describe the features of social networking. You can list pros and cons of social networking. You can list the uses of social networking sites for educational purpose. So, what is social networking sites? In simple definition, social networking sites, SNS, are websites that allow individual users to not only create and share content, but also to communicate with others users of the site. So, I would like to tell you this kind of networking and communication activities was happening earlier too, even without computers. Information was disseminated through various media like radio, newspapers, and television. Communication was mostly through letters and telephones. So, but now we are using social networking sites. Even after the advent of computers and the internet, the earlier websites were passive. That is, the user was only at receiving end of information. They could not react to given information or contribute content to the website. Now, the next development was social networking sites where the user become an active contributor to the website. Two examples of this model are online newspapers where you can comment on any article, Wikipedia where the content is created and corrected by the users themselves. Can you give me some more example of social networking sites that you have heard about or used? Yes. So Picasa is the another social networking sites for sharing photos, YouTube for sharing videos, and you can enjoy the activity of viewing and commenting on your friends' photo and videos on these sites. You also use Facebook to keep in touch with your friends and Flickr to share photos. You have seen your parents using LinkedIn to network with another professionals. So, looks like you are already adept at using social networking sites for various activities. So, why do you think SNS social networking sites have become so popular? Because SNS social networking sites lets you stay connected to friends and family. You can also find old friends with whom you may have also lost you may have lost touch. They are very easy to use and the user need not be aware of any programming language or specific tools in order to use them. All the social networking sites provide some basic features like profile creation, content uploading, and sharing. So here you look at the picture. Wikipedia is one of the social networking sites which is launched in 2001. Here Google Plus, which is launched in 2011, and Google was launched in 2004. It was launched in uh, perhaps 2000, but it is come in use in a proper way in 2004. After that, LinkedIn, which was launched in 2003, Facebook, which was launched in 2004, not in 2006, 2004, YouTube, which was launched in 2005, and Picasa, which was launched in 2002, not in 2004. Here it is written 2004, 2006. So it is launched in 2004 and it is launched in 2002. So we'll study each category, each uh, social networking sites which will come under which category. So here now the many social networking sites are there in which many user privileges are there. Means what user can get the facility from these social networking sites. So here category name and examples of the social networking sites are given. First one is blogging websites, where eBlogger, WordPress, and Tumblr are used. Tumblr is another blogging websites which are used. What are the uses of this? Blog apps website allow users to interpost about any topic. These posts can in turn be read and commented on by other users. Blogs are used by people to publish their creative content on the internet. The post can be organized based on the topic and date. And after that, reference website, which is Wikipedia. Another reference websites are about.com, are also the reference website. So what is the use of this? Reference website are online encyclopedia where users or subject matter experts create content on any topic, and the content is then published after review. So after reviewing, the content will be published in the reference website. After that, video sharing websites like YouTube. In video sharing sites allow users to upload video files other users can watch, share, and comment on these files. And photo sharing social networking sites, Flickr, Picasa, SlideShare, all these are photo sharing social networking sites in which you will photo sharing sites allow the users to upload photos, organize and create digital albums. Other users can view and share and comment on that picture. Now, the next one is e-commerce website like IRCTC, eBay, Amazon, Flipkart. All these are coming e-commerce social networking sites, where e-commerce sites allow users to buy products like electronic goods, automobiles, books, household goods, clothes, and tickets. The user can pay online for the product in many ways such as credit card or cash on delivery. In such way, they can pay the amount for which the product they are buying. Now, networking with friends. How we can touch with the friends? For that, there are many social networking sites: Facebook, Orkut, which was earlier used, MySpace, Ebibo, Hi5, which all these are used earlier. Now, the most popular social networking sites are Facebook, Ebibo, Skype, Twitter. Now, Orkut, MySpace, Ebibo, all these are not used, but nowadays Facebook, Skype, and Twitter are used in uh, used very much. So friend sites allow user to create profiles, belong to groups, list friends. A user can create content and keeps in touch with family and friends. After that, forums, social networking sites in which CNET, Quora, TechSpot, all these are coming under forums. So what it allows, forums have different topics under which user can post queries or discuss on some specific topic. So technical forums are very popular where user can get their doubts clarified by the experts. Nowadays, when you are searching on internet about something, when you are using some applications or something and you don't know about it, when you type on Google, then different type of question and answers are coming, and that that are actually published on the forum websites from where you can get the answers of your questions. Now, social networking sites basic features. What are the basic features which are allowed in social networking sites? It is applicable for all social networking sites. So user can register or create profile. Each user fills in information in a given form with data or age, education, location, likes, dislikes, and hobbies. The user can add friends, categorize them into groups, decide how his or her profile is viewed and by whom it is viewed. All that can be done here. You can set using create profile and register profile. Security setting. The user can configure setting where she decides which content on her page is public or private. Like Facebook, if you are posting some pictures, some news, you can make it public or private. So if you are making public, that means anyone can see your post. If you are making private, that means your friends. There are also subsetting in which you can allow to friends see your friends see your friends of friend your post can see, like this. The user can block content from being viewed by a list of users, can report spam and flag content. You can also block content by using, if you do not want that the picture will not be shown by some users, you can block them for your content. Networking features. Activities that user can perform: chat with other users, instant messaging with other online users, upload photos, videos so that they can viewed by others, play games, enter comments on content generated by other users, send email. Now, other features are, the next feature is search and support. The user can search for content based on keywords, interest, school. The user also has support in the form of frequently asked questions and forums. Means when you are using social networking sites like Facebook, so if you want to search any friends, you can search by name or by other information that you know. Now, file, photo, video sharing, social networking sites. Out of many different kind of social networking sites, file, photo, video sharing sites are very popular. Some important aspects of these sites are shown in the figure are: these sites needs a registration, but they can also be accessed using already existing login password on other sites like Google, Yahoo. Means you can use other social networking sites by using Google account, Yahoo account, or you can create your profile on the uh, such social networking sites. Example, YouTube allow user to access its site with Google account name and password. Some of the services provided by the site are free and some are paid. Example, minimal storage space is given for free account, but unlimited storage is provided for paid users. Means there there are some social networking sites you can upload videos, photos for their specified storage size. If you want more than that, then you can pay for that storage space. All users can create, edit, upload, search, organize their files like document, audio, video, photos on these sites. Some sites, example PhotoBucket, have a special software tool to edit photos, add effect to the video, create innovative photo albums, and import photos from social networking sites. Also, there are privacy settings on which the privacy setting on the user's account enable the users to share the content accordingly. Means you can set your content as public, private, and can be viewed only by friends, etc. Most of these sites can be accessed even from the mobile devices. Nowadays, all these sites can be used from the mobile devices through the app. Now, the most important term of the social networking sites, crowdsourcing, is the term. What is the use of it? Means outsourcing of tasks on social networking sites, which can be performed by individuals across the globe. Means on the globe, if you are sitting on any place, you can take the task from any individuals and you can perform through the crowdsourcing technique. Example, http www.99design.com is a website where the clients can post requirement for a design assignment like anything like civil, means home design, school design, website design, anything for logo, website, business card, etc. And individual can submit their designs and the client gets to choose the best design and pays the individual accordingly. Means you can earn the money through the crowd sourcing by taking assignment from the different country or different places and you can earn the money. Then mashups, in which the another technique which is mashups, which is what it uses combining visualization and data to create new services. Example, a mashup of Google Maps and Twitter allow the user to see the area on the Google map from where the popular Twitter content is being posted. It is on Twitter, it is in Facebook. So all these these facilities are done through the mashups. Coming under mashups, news groups, forums, and social bookmarking sites are different ways in which individuals with common interests can interact with each other. Now the next term, Foursquare, WAYN, where are you now? These two terms are the example of, these two are location based services which is used by social networking sites, are example of social networking sites where the user posts his or her current location details, and in this way users know the whereabouts of their friends. Like in Facebook, when you are going some places, you are seeing nowadays the posted from Mumbai, Maharashtra, another country, America, Australia. So due to these facility, these features, these location based features. So now this is the end of today's lecture. Now we should move towards the questions from today's lecture. So explain, first question is explain in brief about blogging website, reference website, video sharing website, e-commerce, sorry, here e-commerce website and forums. Write different features of social networking sites. Write a short notes on evolution of, here spelling is wrong, evolution of location based services. After that, write short e, here the spelling is Evolution. Here the extra u is given, so you understand it as evolution of location based services. Just now you have studied. Write short notes on crowdsourcing and mashups. So now the next lecture will be pros and cons of social networking sites in chapter 3. So thank you very much.